Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to open a password protected PDF file. So guys, we have two ways of doing this. So firstly, you can download a free app for Windows, which is called Passcovery. So you just, I will show you, we'll just download this app and then we'll just continue. Or if you want a easier way, you can use this service right here, Lost My Pass. And in the free tools, just press on Unlock PDF and just drag and drop the file into here. Alright, as you can see, mine is uploaded, and as you can see, it's not password protected, but I'm just using this as an example, okay? And after you just upload it, wait for it to decrypt and actually crack your file, and then you can just download it to your computer. If you want to use this application, just press on free download for Windows. Okay, now we can install it. After that, just choose the demo version unless you have a registered key and install. Okay guys, so this is going to be your application. Now you go File and Open, and of course choose your PDF file, and after that you just press on this button Start. Alright, as you can see, mine is not password protected. Just press on Start, it will decrypt it, and then you will get your PDF file newly converted one that has no password, say it, I guess, onto your desktop or something, and then you can easily access it. So these are the two ways, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, press like in the video, subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video.